group. Alright, so today our workshop is going to be on our Flagway curriculum that Quinn's going to bring to about. It's basically a self-taught learning process as opposed to standard book learning. So I'll speak on some of the tools that we give the students that we work with, and from there to kind of try and help guide you work through the process that you guys go through. So with this curriculum, we basically cover factoring, prime numbers, multiplication, division. So we give all those necessary tools to the students. And from there, we give them a number set. So number set you guys are going to work with first today is 2 through 10. Okay, so what's up with the 2 through 10? So that's the number set I want you guys to work with. You can just write that down. So very key. Right? Very important information about the business. Alright. So with this number set, you guys are going to categorize these 9 numbers into 3 exclusive categories. Meaning, I want you to come up with 3 titles for categories, and I want you to be able to filter each number into, we'll filter those numbers into one of the 3 categories. But, say you name one category odd, even, and everything else. So, that's not very exclusive, because everything else can cover many different possibilities. So you have to be very specific about what you do. So if you say, I want this to be odd, I want this to be divisible by 3. So I can put 15 in divisible by 3, and I can also put 15 in odd. So you can have inclusive categories. They have to be mutually exclusive to each other. Very important information, people. So I want each group to try to work from that. I know there's very little information. What I spoke on about the tools we give the kids, those are your clues that I'm going to give you. So I hope you're listening. So for about 10 minutes, I just want each group, which is each table, to work on and see what 3 categories you can come up with. And then,
so what we're doing right now is we're taking the numbers 2 through 10 and making 3 exclusive groups. So do you know what I mean by that? No. Okay. So you're going to make 3 groups, and if a number goes into one group, it can't go into any others. So let's say you have like 3, 8, 5. If 3 is in the group, 8 is in the group, and 5 is in the group, then 3 and 5 can't be in the same group. Or like it can go here, but it can't go here. And it can go here, but it can't go here. Like it can only go in one.
Each number has to, like you said, be in one category.
Yeah.
So you couldn't like have even odd and divisible by 7.
Yeah,
Because it would be fitting on.
yeah,
Okay.
because 7 and
Okay.
exactly. Okay. So to think of something that's relatively exclusive.
So we could, but can you create a category like n plus 3 is divisible by like
So you're overthinking it.
like it's 2, but it's 3 proper factors now, but
No, 1's 3.
the numbers will keep going up.
Oh, I didn't.
will
Okay.
Yeah, you got to make a rule that works with
As we keep
as you
expanding.
keep going up. So I think you just might want to make it like you had it pretty specific, and that's what we want. I think you had it a little too specific. So like, let's say I had the number 36 or something. It's a square, but it has a good amount of factors. And like, let's say just any other number, but it has a lot more than 3 factors that would fit in this one. Where would it has to be placed in one of these 3 categories? Which one would it be placed in? I'll just rethink the rules. Your rules are going good so far. You're on a good track. I'll tell you that. You're really quick.
So you have 2 groups?
Multiple 3, multiple 2.
The factor of 70.
So you said the multiple 3s are what numbers?
So 3, 6, 9. So you see these?
Okay. And what are your other numbers for the group?
4 and 8. Because they're multiples of 8. Right? And then 2, 5, and 7 are all factors of 70. And the other ones are not.
What about 10?
70.
Oh.
Sorry, I didn't write 70 or 10.
Does always have to be 3 groups?
You're breaking it into 3 groups. So you've got one set of solid rules right there, right? But you can come up with any others.
We could even do less than, greater than, and between. We don't have to do factors, like we can say numbers between, okay, let's say 3 and 6, numbers less than 3, the numbers greater than 6. You know, so it's like a different.
Well, you can come up with as many. Yeah, come up with as many as you can.
Because you might not be right. Yours might not be right. We might have a better system.
Let's see, I was thinking the remainder is going to divide by 3.
Oh yeah, good call. Good call.
So like this one would be 2, this one would be
2,
1,
5.
this would be 0, 1, 1, and that's 0.
Nice.
That's very key, and I think that's why this group should be. That's why I'm like, can we like do them by the first letter of the number that is 6 starts with an S.
And then you have 7.
What about dividing numbers? 2, 3, and 4 is in one group. 5, 6, 7.
Numbers less than 5, numbers between 6 and 8.
Okay, so that's a start, right? Yeah, you could do that as categories, right?
I want to know what numbers are. Very great.
And then you can list everything you know about that number. And then you can look for patterns that you see, right? So I would suggest that as a good place to start.
Right? Within these two, you just
Powers of a
powers of a prime. Powers of a
Powers
prime.
of a prime.
Those are
Multiple prime factors. Was that?
Product of prime.
Right. Product of prime. Sure.
Composite numbers.
Product of the same prime. That's good.
These ones can't be products of.
No, these ones are products of primes, but they're all products of the same prime.
And these are just built over.
Oh, okay.
That's cool. I like this one.